Hello friends. I am Chartered Accountant Pratik Neve and I welcome you to this video on behalf of MEPL for one of the biggest announcement for CMA final students. Yes, there were many CMA final students requesting for a batch exclusively in English. Yes, this was especially demand from South Indian students. So sir, what is the big announcement now? The announcement is that we at MEPL have decided and we are going to come up with CMA final DT and IDT batches live. Okay, which will start from 10th of February, and these batches will be for both June and December 2023 exams. So yes, now the South Indian students don't have to worry. They will get the whole batch in English. Yes. And obviously, any other students watching this, like other than South Indian students, obviously you all also have to write paper in English. So why not learn the subject in English? So yes, we are going to use very simple English in the batch. Is going to be, a very interesting batch. We are going to discuss all basics of tax and then slowly, steadily go in depth of taxes, discuss every logic, every provision, every sum that is applicable for your exam. So this batch starts from 10th February, as I told you. The batch will be for direct taxes as well as indirect taxes. Obviously, separate batches for DT and IDT. We are going to keep the evening timings, that is 6 to 7:30 for IDT, and for DT 7:45 to 9:15. This whole syllabus will be covered by 30th of April. So those who are giving exams in June 2023 don't have to worry. Even for them, the syllabus will be complete and they will get entire 1 month of May for revision. Yes. The IDT batch as well as DT batch, as discussed, will be of 150 hours each. Okay. Now, sir, how do we go about this course? Where will we find the booking link? So don't worry, I am going to tell you that as well. If you go to our website of MEPL, you will find courses, option of courses. In that, you go to CMA final. Now, once you go to CMA final, you just scroll down. You keep on scrolling down. The latest batch which we are launching, you will get it here. Check. Yes, the batch we are going to conduct is equally applicable for old syllabus as well as new syllabus. Obviously, there are some different points in old and new syllabus, but that is, hardly a matter of one or two extra classes which will be covered separately, and I'll be giving you instruction of that as we go ahead in the batch. What is the benefit of this batch? Obviously, you will get a lot of knowledge. You will get to attend live starting from 10th February, as well as the link will be given in the Google Drive as well as the app on the same day of the batch. All the details you can check in this product here. For example, you go for CMA final new indirect taxes. If you go here, you will find all details of this batch. Okay, check. In the description, we have given all the details. So please confirm them and then go ahead for the batch. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to learn taxes in depth. Okay. So I'll put in all my 12 years of experience of teaching taxes in your CMA final DT and IDT, and see to it that you score wonderful marks with full understanding of tax. So we will be doing provisions, problems, and logic behind all, and lot of practice in depth. It is the batch will also have lot of writing practice, mind you. So understanding, presentation, and even retention, everything will be well covered in the batch. So I am hoping to see you in the batch. Thank you. And of course, do spread this message to all your friends who want batch in exclusive English for DT and IDT. Thank you, friends.